Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter error code 8, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is disable the proxy. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will go to Bluetooth network and internet, and we will click on proxy, and we will, if you're using a proxy server, we will switch it to the off position. Once that is done, we will then run the network troubleshooter. So we'll go to system and we will click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and then we will click on run network and internet troubleshooter. The next thing we can do is to reinstall the drivers. So keep this window open, we'll come back later to it. Go to device manager, and we will have to search for the network adapters. Here we will right click on the MediaTek update LAN card, and we will uninstall the driver, and then again we'll come back here and click on scan for hardware changes, and it should reinstall the driver. The last thing to do is to reset the network. So we will go back to we will go to network and internet, and we will click on advanced network settings, and we will click on network reset, and we will click on reset now. Yes, and your network should start working and you should no longer get error code 8. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.